Well, joining us now to further discuss this is Dr. Rob Davidson, an emergency physician and the chairman for the Committee to Protect Healthcare. Welcome back to BNC, Dr. Davidson.
Thank you. Good morning.
So let's just get right into it and talk about this approval for the Pfizer COVID vaccine. What does it mean specifically, especially for those people who have been on the fence waiting for this to happen?
Well, I work at a hospital that announced about a month ago that once there was full approval within 8 weeks, they would be required for employees or they can seek employment elsewhere. So personally, this is huge because in my small rural hospital, not including physicians, we have about 99% of physicians vaccinated now, but about 60% of the rest of the staff is fully vaccinated as of last week. And this is going to push people to do this, and it should. You know, over 200 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine have been given in this country since December of last year, more than that with the trials that started last summer. This is the most doses of vaccine given in any kind of approval process that we've ever seen. This is in the setting of a pandemic that has killed 630,000 Americans. And we can trust that they have reviewed the safety data, and we know they help. We know this vaccine and the others keep people from dying of COVID, and that's exactly what we need to do.
Yeah, you would think that more than 600,000 dead Americans would be, enough. But for some people, it's still not enough. What about the others? Because that's the next thing, the status of Moderna, J&J. Will they, do you think, follow right behind Pfizer, the FDA approving those?
I mean, it looks like it. So Moderna has given about 150 million doses thus far in this country. And I know that they filed all the paperwork and the FDA is reviewing that data. And so I think it's just a matter of trusting that they are reviewing the data, that they are waiting until they have enough confidence to give it their stamp of approval. And I truly appreciate that. Now, I know people said, oh, this is rushed, but the facts of the matter is this is an unprecedented number of doses of any drug, any vaccine that we've seen. And so I think we can trust the process. I saw in a segment on Fox News yesterday in about a less than a minute time, the host said, boy, this thing was rushed. And then they said a little bit later, well, what took so long? So I really feel like there are some people you're just not going to be able to please. And you can look it up. It's out there. Some people you're not going to be able to please, and they're going to come up with reasons no matter what. But I think for most regular folks, this is going to give them confidence.
Yeah, well, one of the reasons I heard on social media yesterday where they're saying, well, they only report 1% of adverse reactions to the virus, which could lead to sickness or death from people taking the actual vaccine, that is. So are there any studies out there on how many people have actually had adverse reactions or have maybe even died because of the vaccine itself?
The number of adverse reactions beyond soreness, beyond kind of flu-like symptoms for a few days is again, like you said, less than 1%. People refer to the VAERS system, the vaccine event reporting system that, lists so many possible side effects and deaths, but this is just, people can hop on, they can log on, any person at all, and just log in some kind of an effect. If someone got a shot of a vaccine and the next day they got in a car crash, they could put that down that, well, that car crash was a side effect of the vaccine. The CDC reviews all of this data, and they have investigated deaths. They have investigated, any potential severe reactions, and they found that they just don't wash out. When you put the scrutiny of science to what people are reporting, they just aren't connected to the vaccine. They're random events that occur every day, and people just happen to get the vaccine, before they happen.
So the approval, Dr. Davidson, it includes people 16 and older, but explain the emergency uses for people 12 through 15, those who are immunocompromised. Break that down for us, because a lot of people are still confused.
Yeah, immunocompromised folks really fit in under the age categories under full approval, 16 and over. And this really just has to do with the amount of data they had and how long they've had the data. We remember that the emergency use authorization came to pass for 16 and over back in December of last year. And then it wasn't until, I believe, April or May, I think April of this year, that emergency use authorization for 12 to 15-year-olds, maybe it was May. But anyhow, it did lag a bit because we had fewer kids in that age group getting the vaccine in the trials, and so we just didn't have as much data. And the same thing is true now. We have fewer kids in that age bracket, 12 to 15, than there are individuals 16 and over that have gotten the vaccine, and so they just have to collect the data. And I think we should take that as a sign of confidence we should have in the FDA. You know, they're not rushing this. They're not just trying to get this thing pushed through to get more people vaccinated. They're trying to say, you know, we've reviewed it, this is safe. And I appreciate that. Having a 14-year-old, you know, she's been vaccinated, but I appreciate that they're going to take their time and get us the approval when it's appropriate.
All right. Well, ER physician Dr. Rob Davidson, we can continue this all day, and we'll definitely have to have you back to talk about it more. Thank you for starting your day with us and helping educate people on the facts here.